understanding the phrase, zero down. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into a phrase that you might have heard in various contexts, zero down. What does it mean? How is it used? Stick around as we uncover the nuances of this interesting phrase. First things first, let's break down the phrase, zero down. It consists of two words, zero, which means none or nothing, and down, which in this context doesn't carry its usual meaning related to direction, but rather implies a payment or an upfront cost. So, when combined, zero down refers to situations where there is no upfront payment required. One of the most common contexts you'll hear, zero down, is in real estate or home buying. A zero down mortgage means that the buyer is not required to make a down payment to purchase the property. Instead of paying a percentage of the property's value upfront, the buyer can finance 100% of the home's purchase price. But real estate isn't the only context for zero down. You might also come across this phrase when shopping for a car or even retail goods. Zero down offers mean that you can take the product home without making an initial payment, with the understanding that you will pay for it over time, usually with interest. Now, while zero down offers might sound tempting, it's important to consider the pros and cons. On the plus side, you don't need to have a large sum of money saved up to make a purchase. However, it often results in higher monthly payments and more interest paid over time. Let's look at a few examples of how zero down can be used in sentences. With our financing options, you can drive away in a new car with zero down. They bought their first home with a zero down mortgage. Our store is offering zero down deals on all electronics this Black Friday. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, zero down. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, while zero down offers can be enticing, it's crucial to weigh the long-term financial implications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.